Hello, I'm posting a video on how to look up mobile homes on the county website. In this particular case, we are looking in Worth County, Georgia, about a mobile home in Sylvester. So, as you can see, go into Google, type Worth County, Georgia, Q Public. You can also put in Worth County, Georgia GIS. It basically depends by county. It will bring up a property search. It'll bring up the county records page here. As you can see, you have a whole bunch of different things going on here. You have the chief appraiser name, you have search records, estimate taxes, forms, general information, links. We're going to look in search records. Now, whatever information you have, if you have the property key, legal information, like the legal description, or the address, parcel number, you could search. Best I have found is either the parcel number or the address, because it sort of auto-populates. And the address for us is 100 Bridges Street. As you can see, it came right up. If you're looking for a mobile home that's in a park, you'll see a whole bunch of different things that come up for that address. The first one is the owner. And what I found is the owner information, when clicking on it, it gives you a list of all types of mobile homes in that park. You can see the lot number. If you're on a mobile device, you might have to turn your phone into, I guess, landscape mode. Turn it so it's whited out, because this will come up and you'll only see, I believe, owner and model and width length. But so you might have to turn it over on its side in order to get the lot numbers. The particular mobile home that we're looking for is lot 11. So you can see here, and you have the width length, the year it was built, the model in this case is unknown, the manufacturer, you got the serial number, everything's listed there for you to see. For mobile homes and parks, the map isn't really very useful. As you can see, it's real blurred out. There's not a lot here, but if you're looking for houses or something like that, where it's just a individual house, it'll be more clear for you. And you could have all these different layers here, like the flood map, if where you're buying is in a floodplain, the soils, if there's a railroad right across the street, that might limit your buyers. But I also use this GIS website for my analytics side of the business. And you could get sales list, see if it's a good area. If there's a lot of sales coming up here, usually it means that it's a pretty active market. You don't want to go in a market where there's only one sale in the past 90 days. So I usually, when I'm looking to sort of plant my flag in the area, I'll look at the sales list in the county. If it's pretty quiet there, I look at a different county. Or if there's a lot of investors buying in there, I know I've either gotten to the county too late, or if I see it turning upwards, then I must have gotten to the county in a good enough time to make some money. So you could run reports here. And when you're in the map also, I use this a lot for land. You can measure if, for instance, some building setbacks, you have 20 feet on either side, or the front of the road, it's like 50 feet, or it has to be 50 feet wide. So you could use that to measure to make sure that you're within range. Obviously, don't use this in place of a survey. That could cause problems. And the Google Earth KML, if you find the property that you're looking at, you click on the property, and when you hit the Google Earth KML, it will send. I'm on a MacBook. I don't know how, like Google laptops and everything else like that work, but it sends a link right to your downloads folder. Then you just open up Google Maps and it sort of makes like a little square where the property is. I use that for land all the time, but definitely use the county website because that is the most accurate way of getting information for your property. You could use sales search, sales list, results. You could do a personal property PDF, which is sort of like a little pamphlet that you can make on the property. But just wanted to show you guys this so you're able to understand where you could get certain information, where you could get accurate information on whatever you're looking up real estate wise. Thank you.